Greetings, and welcome to AirWorthy Tours, where you can experience real virtual tours. This is a quick video tutorial to help you experience AirWorthy Tours in VR mode. While our tours can be experienced on mobile and desktop devices, we highly recommend VR mode for the best experience possible. Our tours are compatible with the Meta Quest 2 and 3 VR headsets. VR mode can be experienced for both the free virtual tour previews and the full-length virtual tours in our portal. Become a member to get full access to our portal. Physiology-wise, our virtual tours can be experienced standing up. However, because the tours utilize aerial imagery, those with a fear of heights may want to experience the tours in a seated position. Preferably in a chair that can move around, such as an office chair. When you turn on your Meta Quest headset, click on the Meta browser and then go to airworthytours.com. Next, select your tour by clicking on the thumbnail. Once selected, you will be taken to the tour page. Click the play button and it will get the virtual tour started, and to enter VR mode, select the goggles icon on the right top corner of the virtual tour player box. Once you are in VR mode, here is how you navigate. There is a white dot that follows your eyes and head movement. This dot serves as your clicker. You move and teleport around the virtual tour by looking at the icons that typically come in the form of pinpoints, circles, arrows, and helicopters. Look at the icon until it loads and it will take you to the next 360-degree panorama. To exit VR mode, on your right Meta Quest controller, press the circle button. Another way to navigate is to use the gallery format, where you can preview a 360 panorama before entering in VR mode. Alright, now you are ready to see and explore the world in a unique and fascinating way.